Hi friends, welcome to HR Tech. Today we are going to see how to grouping the data. So what are the methods we know? Just we can group these age category. So usually what we will do, we'll create a grouping like age group, then we'll filter or we'll just do the sorting the data with the sort smallest to largest. Then we'll type 25 to 30, then we'll copy all the data, whichever till 30 will filter and we'll do. And another method we can do by creating some if condition. If this value less than 25, then we'll give the comments whatever you want, 25 below. So these are all the manual, lot of with formula we have to do lot of sorting and other things. I'm going to explain, and this is a very simple method you can use through the pivot table without doing any much activities. You can give the range and you can filter the data with the grouping. So you can click insert pivot table, just select the age category in the row. So these are the age we have 25 to 35. Then we can give the numbers, so automatically the age will come as a sum. You can change as a count. So these are 2595 counts we have in the different category of the age, but I need only 25 to 7 and 27 to 29, just a range between two only. So you can go click here the row label, so age, then go to analyze tab. So automatically you will can see the tab. If suppose if it is in home tab, you can go and click the analyze. Here you can see group selection, click the group selection. So starting at ending at, then what is the grouping range it will ask. You can click just to, yeah, that's all. So system will within a second, without doing any coding or formula, recommended chart, just click the chart. You can add activities, so range all, you can remove all these kind of all the fields, hide, just give hide all the buttons. That's all. Change, so go to design and change whatever you want.